The stepper motor torque calculator. Pull and pull out helps you determine if your stepper motor can handle your application's speed and load requirements. Let's walk through the 6 input fields. First, enter your motor's holding torque in ounce-inches. I'm using 100. Next is motor inertia in ounce-inches squared, entering 0.15. Then load inertia, also in ounce-inches squared. I'll put 0.25. Target speed is in pulses per second, entering 2000. Load torque represents your application's resistance in ounce-inches, using 15. Finally, safety factor ensures reliable operation. I'm using 2.0. Click Calculate Torque and Performance to see your results. Our pull-in torque at speed is 41.07 ounce-inches. This is the maximum torque available for acceleration. Pull-out torque at speed shows 57.71 ounce-inches, the maximum continuous torque at your target speed. Total system inertia combines motor and load at 0.400 ounce-inches squared. Maximum acceleration capability is 106.8 radians per second squared. The torque margin of 92.4% indicates excellent headroom. Performance status confirms excellent, meaning this motor easily handles the application. This calculator ensures your stepper motor selection meets your speed and torque requirements. Find the link in the description below.